DCSEO says, hi guys, can you tell me exactly what I need from you to give me my site the push it needs to make it to take it from top of page 3 to page 1? It's for local service and I'm looking to dominate my local market. I was looking at the shield. Is that right? Same question for my GMB page. What do you recommend to make it more visible? Yeah, the SEO Power Shield, which includes the syndication network, Drive Stack, G Site, and ID page, Impress Advantage organization page, and everything gets all tied together. And then from there, it's just a matter of link building, embeds and link building to your tier 1 entity assets, which include basically your SEO Shield. But you want to include all your GMB assets in that as well, which when you order the SEO Power Shield, there's an entire section for all your GMB info. So that's basically it. And then, publish content regular and consistently, both to the money site, if you have a blog, and to the GMB, which is exactly what I just talked about. My bloggers kill 3 birds with 1 stone. One blog post creates a blog post, GMB, and a press release, right? So GMB post and a press release. And so all 3 of those get done with 1 blog post. They draft 1 blog post, and from there they create the GMB post with just a snippet from the blog post. Then they go into, well, I have my own Press Advantage account, but if they were ordering through MGYB, it'd be the same thing. They go to MGYB and order a press release and just put in the order description, please write a press release to promote this blog post, and then put a link to the blog post. And that's primarily it. And then from there it gets the press release writers take over. So it's very easy to do that way. And in relevant traffic too, but on a purely SEO basis, just the SEO Power Shield, and in publishing content consistently, regularly is what I should say. And then link building and embed gigs to your SEO Shield, your entity assets, which includes your GMB stuff. Comments, guys?
Yeah, I would add to that, make sure that the structured data is right and that the on-page is right.
Yeah, and that your entity is not ambiguated. And this will help all of that as well. That's a good question, though. Excuse me.